Today, we're diving into the world of music players on Android, focusing on how you can elevate your listening experience with the best skin application available. The best skin application for Android music players enhances the visual appearance and user interface of the player, allowing for a more personalized listening experience. It offers a variety of themes, colors, and layouts that users can choose from, making it easy to match their preferences or the device's aesthetics. These skins often come with customizable features such as different font styles, button designs, and background images, allowing users to create a unique look. Additionally, they may include options for album art display, equalizer settings, and playlist organization, improving the overall user experience. Overall, this type of application elevates the music listening experience by combining functionality with visual appeal, making it a popular choice among music enthusiasts on Android devices. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this overview of the top skin application for Android music players helpful.